Okay, so one of my prints during the week was this little thing. You do this, no, you do that, and I think it'll be good for the kids at school because we printed 3 of these, or 4 of these, and 4 of these, so they can go at a corner. Right, the other prints I've done is this. It's just a tablet holder. So I have my tablet up there and done a couple of that's still going around, so that's not too bad. And I've done a couple of little prints. Oh, here's an octopus. He's a keyring octopus. And I did one for Grong, but I don't know where it is. Where's that one I did for you, baby? That is also a broken, this never worked, this one was my original one. How I printed that for the keys. But hey, we've been busy this last week. This and this, and there's a couple of other prints coming off that I'll show you tomorrow.